At a high level, this is how the Texas Shiners website works end to end. On the far left, we have the user in a browser. When they type texas-shiners.com or click a link to the site, that request is first resolved by Amazon Route 53, shown here in the first box. Route 53 is responsible for DNS for the domain and www subdomain, and it returns the CloudFront distribution as the destination for that hostname. Next in the flow is Amazon CloudFront. The CDN and HTTPS layer, CloudFront terminates TLS using an ACM certificate for texas-shiners.com, caches static assets close to the users, and enforces HTTPS so that any HTTP traffic gets redirected. This means whether the user is in Texas or anywhere else in the world, they hit an edge location and get low latency responses. Behind CloudFront is a private Amazon S3 bucket that actually holds the built website files. The React plus Vite app is built into static assets in a dist folder, and those files are synced into the website bucket. The bucket is not public. CloudFront uses an origin access control to read objects securely so there's no direct public S3 access. On the right side of the diagram, I've called out the front-end layer. It's a single-page React application using Vite. It includes the Texas Shiners branding, product sections for the different lure types, review and store locator placeholders, and external links to places like Facebook and Etsy. Every time I run a new build and sync to S3, CloudFront starts serving the updated version of the site. Along the bottom of the diagram is the Terraform infrastructure as code layer. Terraform manages the Route 53 hosted zone and DNS records, the ACM certificate and DNS validation records, the CloudFront distribution and its origin access control, and the website S3 bucket itself, along with the separate S3 bucket that stores Terraform's remote site. The idea is that the entire infrastructure for the site can be recreated from code in a clean AWS account with just a few Terraform commands. Terraform's state is stored in this separate S3 bucket with encryption and locking, so infrastructure changes are safe and auditable over time. Pulling it together, the flow is browser, Route 53 DNS resolution, to CloudFront CDN and HTTPS, to private S3 bucket with the built React site. Terraform defines all of that. The business owner just cares that texas-shiners.com loads quickly, looks good, and is easy to update, while underneath it's using a serverless production style architecture that I can showcase as a DevOps project.